It's been an hour, so let's go ahead and fold this dough. Incorporate the starter and the salt. I'm going to do it a couple times just to make sure we're getting that mixed in. I'll be folding this dough about once an hour for 4 to 6 hours, depending upon how long the dough takes to finish fermenting. When the dough is done fermenting, it will be soft and stretchy and filled with bubbles, and you'll be able to pull a nice window pane. Give this another folding. Feels like it's really starting to come together now. Okay, it's not real bubbly yet, so we'll leave it a little bit longer and see how it does. This is what dough will look like when it's done fermenting. It's nice and bubbly. You can see at the bottom of a translucent bowl the bubbles. It will pull a real nice window pane. And it's strong. It's also soft. Your dough's soft, stretchy. You can see all the bubbles in it. So that's what your dough looks like when it's done fermenting. Soft, stretchy, yet it's still strong. You can see it's a little bit tacky, but your fingers don't really stick to it anymore like when you first mixed it. Go ahead and take it out and do some shaping. I'll do a pre-shaping first. Use a little bit of flour on the surface if your dough's too sticky. A little bit on the sticky side. But I'll leave this for the first pre-shaping, and I'll be back in about 15 minutes for the final shaping. A little bit of flour out there. I'm going to use some dusting flour in my banneton. This is a smaller banneton. Okay, this is going to be sticky. Okay, we'll put that upside down in the banneton. Another time, if you want to tighten it a little, just go like this and pull it against the surface. It grips down there as you pull it. It will help make a tighter skin. We'll put that in. Put a plastic over it and stick it in the refrigerator overnight.